I've always said that Ripple custody would become one of the major focuses for the future. And if we look at it today, it seems like Ripple custody is indeed one of the biggest innovations we should have been focusing on. I'm glad I've been making videos about this and why it's a critically important issue, because now we almost have everything we need for major moves to start forming. When I say major moves, I'm not just talking about price action, but also the movement of traditional finance, TradFi, shifting on-chain. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick, and for those who are new here, hopefully, by the end of this video, you become a subscriber. Let's dive into this post, which dates back to November 2024. It was posted by XRP Trops, and it discusses Ripple's custody guide for banks. Ripple custody represents the next evolution of crypto exchanges. On the Ripple website, there's a digital asset custody guide for banks. This guide covers multiple use cases for banks leveraging digital asset custody and tokenization infrastructure, enabling complete control over operational and security models. It supports flexible deployment environments, client-hosted options, and key management solutions. It also incorporates advanced security measures, like multi-party computation and hardware security modules. Use cases for Ripple custody include issuance and custody of tokenized securities and real-world assets, RWAs, providing wallets for cryptocurrency custody and trading for retail, institutional, and high-net-worth clients. Developing a tokenized securities registry platform operated as a service for institutional investors. Building sub-custody networks for global insurance products, enabling broader investor bases to directly invest in commodities like gold or other rare metals. Tokenizing bank deposits to create a payment medium within a bank or between a consortium of banks. Eliminating manual reconciliation of records at multiple transaction stages, from issuance to distribution. The Ripple custody platform highlights the potential of unlocking a $20 trillion digital asset market opportunity. It anticipates that 10% of global assets will be tokenized and represented on public or private blockchains by 2030. The initiative already includes partnerships with major banks such as Societe Generale, BBVA, DZ Bank, Standard Chartered, and more, paving the way for U.S. Tier 1 banks to offer crypto custody services. Mass adoption of U.S. bank crypto custody services is anticipated by 2025. Ripple foresaw this shift as early as 2020. 2020, when the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC, issued a letter affirming that nationally chartered banks have the authority to offer cryptocurrency custody services to clients. The potential for banks to secure a position in the custody of tokenized assets is both profitable and inevitable, an opportunity neither Ripple nor banks intend to miss. In November of last year, it was announced that Trump's overturn of the SAB 121 veto could enable Tier 1 banks to launch crypto custody services. If enacted, this move is expected to trigger a snowball effect of positive impacts, including increased demand for cryptocurrencies and higher prices. The OCC has further clarified its stance by supporting the ability of national banks and federal savings institutions to provide cryptocurrency custody services.